DP stands for the Diploma Program, which is IB's flagship program that is recognized all over the world. During the 11th and 12th grade, scholars complete a rigorous curriculum and have the opportunity to take IB exams to earn college credit and the IB diploma. This credential not only opens the door to potential college credit, but it's also highly respected by universities, and it really strengthens their college applications. More importantly, research consistently shows that participation in the diploma program provides excellent preparation for the academic challenges of college and career.
I think one of the benefits from IB in preparing young people for college is to trust them and give them that autonomy to determine their path to knowledge and education. So many other programs are perfectly legitimate, but they tend to be a little more prescriptive. Here's the list of things that you should know, A, B, and C. Now, you tell me what those things are. And the student says, I know this, A, B, and C. IB's approach instead says, here's a whole bunch of ideas and some knowledge and some synthesis of material. Now let's talk about it, let's discuss this. You need to know a couple of very specific things for foundational information, but now in your brain, what does this mean to you? And tell me what you know. There's no box to check. It is about legitimate and foundational communication of knowledge.
Now that I've gotten to college, everything's very seamless. I feel like the DP program and AP and all the opportunities that I was afforded here really helped with that transition. When I found myself in my biology class, I already knew everything because I took IB and AP biology. And a lot of the things that people were just learning in the classroom, I already knew, so it was easier for me.
The DP offers a rigorous academic curriculum. But what sets it apart from other college prep programs is strong emphasis on reading and writing across all subjects. Even in math, scholars are required to write essays. Many colleges note that the scholars who struggle the most in their freshman year are often those who aren't prepared for the heavy reading and writing demands, making IB's approach especially valuable in preparing scholars for college success.
I feel like academically it definitely gave me a step up. Just doing all my assignments in class and all that was just a breeze. I had to write a 1,000-word essay in a day, and I was able to just crank that out within an hour, while some of my colleagues weren't able to even turn in the assignment on time.
Because of DP and IB and AP, I'm actually classified as a junior, even though I'm a freshman, but I'm still gonna do the full 4 years. But the fact that I'm even a junior because of all the credits that I got here is really crazy.
In addition to coursework, scholars are required to complete as part of the DP core what is known as CAS, Creativity Activity Service. This encourages them to engage in clubs, join sports teams, participate in the arts, and contribute to the community service, providing a well-rounded educational experience and overall human development.
I was not really a science student or a liberal arts student, so I kind of took the more math-oriented side of DP. So I took Math SL, and instead of taking an extra science like most kids here do, I took theater. And I think that really helped me a lot with my confidence and just being able to enunciate my words and everything, which is a really useful skill in business.
When we think about IB and DP at Uplift, we view it as a long-term investment in our scholars. It equips them with the best tools to not only gain college admission, but to persist and graduate on time and be better prepared for the career of choice. While there are many strong college prep programs available, Uplift has fully embraced the IB and the Diploma Program because it is so deeply aligned to the mission and values of our organization.